In front of me I've got Nokia C31. In this video I'll show you how to add passes to Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's enter Google Wallet app and tap Add to Wallet button. Now focus on loyalty, gift card and transport pass. First, let's select transport pass. If you are able to find your transit way selected, you will be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. Next, let's select loyalty and simply select loyalty card you would like to add. Now you can scan your card or enter member ID manually. Tap Add to Wallet and it's set. In the end, let's select gift card, which is pretty similar to loyalty card. Simply select shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap Add to Wallet. All of your cards will appear on the homepage of Google Wallet. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.